Alright, okay, today we'll be discussing the reverse a linked list problem, that is from Geeks for Geeks, and it's a easy type problem, but I think this is one important problem, and we have to give a linked list of n nodes. The task is to reverse the list, right? So here you have already seen a linked list, that is 1 2 3 4, and your 4 point is pointing to the null, and here the head is 1, right? And you have to simply output what output you will do. So your head will be, now after the reverse the linked list, your head will be pointing to the pointer 3, right? So your head is 4, and 4 pointing to 3, then 3 pointing to 2, then your 2 pointing to 1, then your 1 is pointing to the null, right? So it should be your output. Okay, right. So what I did, so I can take a 2 pointer, right? If I take 2 pointer, so from here I can take one, let's say it's a current pointer, and another pointer, let's say next pointer. Okay, so this is the 2 pointer, right? But if I do the swap kind of thing, right? So I can reverse the 2 to head and 1 to the next of head. So this will be done, 1 and 2 will be reversed, but what about 3? So this cannot be done by this approach. So I have to take another pointer. So I have to take total 3 number of pointer. So first of all, your another pointer, that is previous pointer, right? So let's the 3 pointer is denoting by 3 colors, and your this previous pointer, this is current pointer, and this is next pointer, let's say. Okay, and your this pointer is previously reversing the loop. What I did, I have 2 pointing by 1 to null and 2 to 1, right? So this operation can be done by this. So your current pointer, next of current pointer will be pointing to the previous pointer, and your next pointer next will be pointing to the current pointer, right? So this can be done by this, and by which we can increment each of the pointer by one position. And when I reach to this position, so your now previous pointer is pointing to here, and your current pointer is pointing to the null, and your next pointer is already not in the range, right? So while I converting this, so I have to check your current pointer is already null or not. So up to which I have to change my, I have to keep traversing my while loop, right? So let's do it in by code, right? Okay, so here I have to take, first of all, as I said, I have to take 3 pointer, right? So I can take first pointer is previous pointer, right? And it should be pointing to the null, and initially by so first of all, next pointer is initial by head to next. So I am not here initialized, because I want to do a while loop, while your current pointer is not equal to null. So up to which I will be traversing my while loop, and your next pointer will be at so as I said, that your next pointer, so your next pointer will be pointing to the next of current pointer, right? So your current pointer next, and your current pointer next will be initialized as your previous pointer. So current pointer next will be previous pointer, and previous pointer next will be current pointer, right? Okay, and then you have to simply shift this by one position. So your previous pointer is updated as 1, and current pointer is updated as 1, previous pointer is updated as 1. So, and here we have to update your current pointer position, that will be equal to current pointer next will be updated as previous pointer, right? And your previous pointer is now pointing to the current pointer, so I am shifting by one position, and your current pointer will be indicated as next pointer, right? Okay, and after returning from the while loop, so what I did say, so I can say that my head, so my head is now indicating to 4. So here you can see this will be your head, right? So this will be head and your 4 will be head. So my 4 will be now is positioned to the previous pointer, that is blue in color here. So you have to simply the head position, so returning the previous pointer, right? I think pointer was not declared, so here I'm just miss it, that is next pointer. Just compiling run. The next here is capital. Okay, okay, so here the given linked list is 1 2 3 4 5 6, and your output is simply reverse of it, 6 5 4 3 2 1. So let's submit it. Okay, so thank you for listening.